Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good weekend and enjoying the good weather that we have. Tomorrow is officially the first day of summer here in Canada. If you want to have unlimited greens for the rest of the season, here are my three favorite. Swiss chard. The more you harvest, the more it produces. It's very easy to grow. You just sprinkle the seeds and watch it grow. Water spinach. Cut and come again, harvest it, and you will see new growth after a week. Next, Malabar spinach. Very nutritious and very prolific. I like to use it for omelette, soup, and my sandwiches. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!